mae gennym ni awr brysur o'n blaen ni. And what better way to start, Matt? Gwers Gymraeg.
Oh, I love a good Gwers Gymraeg. What have you got for me? And who have you got for me today?
Right, mae Nia Roberts yn dod I mewn I siarad.
Oh, Nia Roberts.
Ie. Felly mae Nia Roberts yn actores.
Actores.
Ac mae hi wedi actio mewn llawer o ffilmiau a chyfresu. Mae hi wedi actio yn Solomon a Gaynor, Doctor Who, y ffilm Patagonia. Ti wedi gweld y ffilm?
Fi'n abod ffilm hwnna.
Ond mae hi'n dod o Aberhonddu yn wreiddiol.
Okay.
Where's
Aberhonddu? I'm not sure where that is.
Brecon.
Oh, fi'n caru Brecon.
Ardal neis yn
Oh,
dydi?
nice. I used to go there a lot when I was a kid.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Connie off te.
Right te, y sgrin gynta, os gwelwch yn dda.
Slow today. Slow. Okay.
Araf.
Nasty.
Adolygu, adolygu, adolygu. Revision. You know this.
Did you?
Yeah.
Did you?
Ardderchog. Neu, a question, did you? Or a statement,
Nest.
nes ti?
Nasty.
You did. Felly, enghraifft, for example, you could say, did you study acting?
Nasty.
Beth ydi?
Studio.
Studio, da iawn.
Studio. Actio.
Wedyn, ar y sgrin nesa, ti'n gallu gweld...
Sit nasty.
Yes, you just put a word at the beginning.
How?
Yes. Sit nesty.
Sit nasty.
How did you?
How did you...
Start acting?
Sit nasty dechrau.
Sit nesty.
Dechrau.
Yeah.
Treglo. Sit nasty dechrau. Studio actio.
Yeah, how did you start studying acting? Neu just sit nesty ddechrau actio. How did you start acting?
Pryd.
Yeah, dwi'n
Nesty.
meddwl, ydy hi wedi actio ers oedd hi'n ferch fach, you know, she's like child actress, neu ddim, dwi'n gwybod, so...
Pryd nasty dechrau actio.
Da iawn. Ardderchog. Right, ar sgrin, ola! Ooh. Let's ask her about her favourite things, iawn.
Pwy ydy dy hoff?
So...
Who is your favourite?
Da iawn.
Pwy ydy dy hoff actores?
Da iawn.
Okay.
Yn union.
Pyn ydy dy hoff? Which one
Yeah.
is your favourite?
Da iawn.
So, pyn ydy dy hoff? Actio neu... Coginio?
Neu goginio.
I don't know.
Neu, pyn ydy dy hoff rôl
Pyn ydy dy
Saesneg?
hoff rôl Selsig?
Which is your favourite sausage roll?
Yeah.
Cwestiwn da, Matt.
Diolch yn fawr. Pyn ydy dy hoff rôl Saesneg?
Wel, Matt, ti'n dda heddiw.
Gwyd ychan.
Good ychan, ardderchog. Reit te.
Diolch.
Beth am ni weld clip o Nia yn actio yn pianissimo sydd yn mynd i fod ymlaen dros y Nadolig?
Gwyliwch.